Afternoon, folks. I came over to give Matt a hand. He started working on this yesterday and explained to y'all what his plan is. I've been here for a little bit today. We've just been cleaning up and grinding on some stuff and getting ready to assemble, but we are about to start putting this together. I think the first step we've got to do is tack in a crossbar so that these stay on the same plane. And we're going to bring it up here and try and figure out our placement for the ram. And once we know where the ram's going to go, then we can finish fitting the rest of the cross pieces in there, start welding it out solid.
That's right. Sounds like a plan.
I guess here we go.
All right, let's go. Let's get it.
Let's get it.
So let's put that piece in here as low as we can get it.
Okay.
In here.
That's pretty much flushed out there. You want a little tack on the top of it?
I think you need to come this way. Yeah, like that. There you go.
All right.
You gotta tack this one first.
Okay. Keep steel back there. All right. That's going to be pretty good right there.
You good? You like it?
All right.
Tell me when.
Go.
I'm gonna tack another one on the top here.
Yep. Yep.
Good?
I think we can mark for that.
Yeah, get her lined up.
Yeah, let's give her a little tacky tack, and then we'll pull some cross measurements and just make sure we're halfway square.
Let's see.
Here. So let's go like bottom tooth to top tooth and bottom tooth to top tooth.
All right, that's 18.
All right.
And I'm holding off 3.
Now you're on the inside?
I was on the outside here.
Outside, inside. All right.
Yeah, I was holding off 3, so that's inside. Now this, shit, man,
We're there?
that's right where it needs to be.
Lovely. All right.
And so how high can it go?
It can go to right there.
It's right there. That's pretty good. I like that.
All right. Well, you got a strap or something we can throw around it?
Yeah, let me go ahead and put
a few more tacks.
Couple more tacks. All right, that shouldn't go nowhere. Let me find a strap right quick.
Let's go ahead and stick your top eye in. Put a pin in it. We can kind of hold it up there, and wherever we find the bottom at, then you can tack the top. You know what I mean?
Yeah, I need to grind this.
Take a little bit of paint off. Yep.
Well, I guess we need to figure out exactly where it's going.
Oh, absolutely. Well, here's the thing. I wanted to put that in so that the angles were already kind of right, because we know it's going to be held off that much. And so if we put that pin through there.
Yeah, I got you.
And if y'all are noticing, I'm not really that bad hurt, but it was in a bad spot and a Band-Aid won't stick. So I'm like, wrap my whole hand in duct tape.
He cried. He cried like a little girl. Don't let him lie to you.
I love you, brother. Jackwagon. Do you want the angle that way or the other way?
I want it that way.
Do you? Okay.
Yeah.
So that's gonna be the question. How high, low are we gonna,
Well, that's a great question. So we'll just have to tack it.
You didn't cut that one yet.
I have not cut that one
Let's
yet.
go ahead and cut that, and we'll pin that one in too.
But we don't know where it's going yet.
We know the angle we want, don't we? On that one.
No. Let me get this one tacked. Because we'll probably end up having to break this one back off and adjust it a little bit. Yeah. But I'm going to tack the top and the bottom. So let me get a grinder over here and knock off the paint.
The pert.
Hold it back up where kind of close to where it needs to be.
Well, see, that becomes the question because we got to get around that piece of square tubing. I don't know where it needs to be.
Okay.
Here?
That's fine.
Well, pretty much where that line is.
Yeah, let me get this. Put it somewhere, anywhere that you kind of like it, and I'm going to tack it. You good?
Go.
Let me get one more. Ow! It's hot.
We'll go ahead and put a tack over here.
Just to keep it from
wiggling. I mean, as far as that goes, all like that, the question is going to be how the rest of it's going to fall out.
Right.
You ain't got no room there, brother.
do we need to cut this? How much do we need to cut it? It's not going to suck all the way up.
Yeah.
To here.
Right.
It's going to be like that.
Right. Which means this is going to be out here somewhere. It ain't going to be that tight.
Well, no, we can still make it that tight. Just depending on, the problem is when you let it go all the way out.
Yeah.
And this is down.
Well, let's unstrap it and look at that.
Where's that going to fall out?
Yep. Now we need to push that back out.
Well, I got something for that.
You got an air pusherator?
Oh, I'm doing the wrong one.
You're going backwards. Really, right in front of that bar is going to be fine. And it's actually going to wind up being kind of high on here.
So if it's right there.
Suck it back in. Maybe not all the way. All right. Push it back out a little bit. Is that tight enough for you, or do you want
it? I want it to come up. I want it to come up as high as we can come up.
Well, we need to go up with this some more.
See, but that's the thing. So with it all the way in.
Well, but we're not. We talked about it being like we talked about it being a little bit proud.
I would like this to come back like this.
Yeah.
The cylinder doesn't have to come all the way. It doesn't have to touch.
Yeah. No, I know.
I actually want it off a little bit.
Right.
Okay.
Yep. That's what I'm saying, though. If this is touching, we could put it almost in the center of that bar.
Yeah, but all right. So let it down. If you go here to the center of that bar, come down. Just let it drop. And then I come all the way out with it. Let's see. All the way out with it. Well, that wouldn't be horrible, I don't reckon.
I think this might need to drop an inch or so.
Yeah. Yeah, that's why we just barely tacked it.
Yep.
But let's, so where's my other mount at?
It was laying here.
I got it right here.
Where'd you did with it?
So if we put it like, if I flushed it up like that, but so if I cut it off here.
Yeah.
And we put it like there.
Right.
It wouldn't be horrible, would it?
Well, tell you what, let's play with that. Go ahead and. Do you want to cut it off?
I'm gonna cut it.
Yep.
And then cut it back like this where I can get underneath. You know what I'm saying?
Yep. I would think based off of this, you actually want that eye a little proud right there.
Yeah. Put it in this thing. Do we have a pen? We got a pen somewhere. One pen. That's it right there.
This pen?
Yeah.
This flippy pen?
Yeah.
God bless America. That's awful. You got any like some WD-40 or something to wipe this off? Or do you even care at this point?
Not really.
Okay.
I mean, that's good enough for right now. So, if we put it, or do you want it?
Look at how this is. You want this, that same. See what I'm saying?
Oh, all right, don't push it in on me. Hold the rod still.
I'm trying to.
Here.
Yeah, I'm right here. So, what I want to do is round that point off, but I still want to leave us plenty of meat where it's nice and strong. We're going to put that right there. We're going to mark around here. That way Matthew can just cut that point off. And so that's what our finished part will look like. A little lightweight table like we had talked about building about a dozen times.
Oh, it'd be nice, wouldn't it? Doesn't go through there good?
No.
Well, that sucks.
We got any bad spots on that?
Maybe right there.
That sucker's hot.
Yeah. You're just reaching and snatching stuff. I can't lift it up because of the pin.
We need a different pin, a shorter pin.
Shorter pin. Well, let's get us a shorter pin. Let's go cut this sucker off.
You want to cut it at 2 of them lines? Leave it a little proud?
No, I'll cut it at that line. We'll just leave it that long for right now.
Okay. Always sunken.
You have to hold it up right there.
Okay.
So I can ticky tack it. Well,
What?
I don't know why we're doing it the dumb way. Why don't we just weld it on them
And then pin it up?
like that?
Okay.
At least tack it.
Yeah.
You know what I mean?
Why are we doing it the dumb way? Because that's what we do.
Diesendorf boys being Diesendorfs. See, look, we're hitting right there. Oh, we're hitting the mount.
Yeah.
Oh, that's great.
Yeah, we're not hurting nothing.
That's great. That's fine. I can live with that. Is this all the way up?
No.
No. So we could actually move this down some.
Yep.
And that will let my deal push further out, which is better.
Yeah.
And it will still twist out plenty. Yeah, we're good right there. That's awesome. Now we can.
So you want to go ahead and drop that about an inch or so?
I ain't worried about this right now.
Okay.
I think we weld in the plate and we weld in just tack in the plate and we tack in this piece.
So that needs to be closed when we do that. Because we know this is cleared. And all that's going to be out here.
Right.
Close this and then fit that up.
Okay. Good call.
What's wrong with that?
I mean, I'm good with that.
Honestly, if that other piece we cut is too big, we still have that other piece of them teeth over there we could put in here.
Well, I mean, you're talking about this piece?
Yeah.
It's too big.
They're too thick.
Can you? Yeah, you can't really, can you? Turn this down and go deeper.
Sure. Well, I can go to about right there.
See, I'm kind of feeling that.
Yeah. There's nothing wrong with that. That's missing everything. Handle it.
You like
Tack
that?
it in.
Let's tack that in.
Give me a tack here, and then I want to take a measurement over here. You know what I mean?
Okay.
Bomb sighting it looks pretty good.
You ready?
Yep. Give her a ticky tack. What happened?
I'm gonna tack this back too.
Okay. All right, let's go ahead and turn that one off too. This one overheated.
Okay.
We'll turn that one off and we'll go ahead and cut that other piece and play with how we want to line it up. And we'll turn the cameras back on and tack it in.
All right.
I think that'll be cool looking though, because we could run that kind of more along here.
Yeah.
You know, and you'll have a row of teeth here.
Mm-hmm.
It'll look all angry, like it's going to take a bite out of something.
Be like McGruff.
Huh?
Take a bite out of crime.
That's right.
Everything works like it should. It moves like it should.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. I like the heck out of that. Little row of teeth there. Yes, indeed.
I've been taking all apart, so well as good.
What do you want to articulate it once? Yeah. As it sits?
Sure.
Double check everything.
I mean,
nothing's hitting.
It goes where it's supposed to go.
Yeah.
And then once I get that welded up and we hang that again,
then we'll put that
this off
where it finally goes.
We'll put that where it finally goes.
Okay. Let's go ahead and take this out now. That's why I'm going to take this one out and then I can wiggle this a little bit, give you some help.
All right. Give me this.
Yeah.
And that's what I may end up doing. I may end up just getting another bolt for that.
It's the right size, yeah. We just bolt it together.
All right, we should be able to slide this out.
Over here. Something like that. Oh yeah, we got to put your nut in there.
Yeah.
And you got to figure out exactly where you want that nut on that shaft.
Yeah.
You got to help me here. All right.
All right, you ready? Here, get on this side. Take it on. All right.
And then I'm bushing.
Nope.
We don't know if it needs to be turned.
Right.
get your flashlight and I'll hold this up where you can kind of see up in there.
Yeah, it's in there.
It's in there? All right, cool. Now, your good bushings.
Yeah, did a wedge in where it's going to get a bushing on it. Oh, of course it did.
Okay. There you go. That's pretty much it there, bro. Yeah, if you want my tabo off about that much of it.
Yep. So that bushing's in?
Yeah, that's all the way in. Yeah, look.
Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah.
Yeah, inch and a half. Dog it off an inch and a half proud over here. All are good, huh?
You knock this off. And then mount the cylinder again. Retract it all the way. Put this up. Retract it all the way. And then burn this in.
Yep. Yeah. It's all the way through. Bottom down.
Oh. You want me to strap it?
I can hold it right there.
Let me strap it. You got it?
Yeah.
How's that?
Pretty good.
You good there?
You can go a little bit tighter. There you go.
I lifted it off the ground on purpose.
Purpose?
Because now you can swing the bucket like this.
Yeah.
You can make it easier on yourself.
All right.
All I need now is 2 hoses. Now we can see how far down it goes.
Yeah, pick the whole thing up a little bit and open the bucket out.
That's fantastic. It doesn't hit nothing. It articulates good. That's a superb job we did, brother.
Heck yeah. That's too cool.
That is fantastic.
You know it's always going to go out that way.
Yeah, it's got to go out this way.
Yeah.
Absolutely.
Forever.
So how much recording did we get? It's still recording?
Oh, that one's still running.
Heck yeah,
That one overheated.
That one overheated?
It's that dang housing that it's in.
That's awesome.
Yeah, so you gotta get you some collars, a bolt.
Yep.
You need to find you another bolt for here.
Yep.
It's the right diameter.
Yep.
That's a little loose.
Hey guys, we're back in the shop again today. We finishing up the thumb on this Traco. So what I've got is some lock collars. They just got a little Allen set key in them. And we were going to be putting them on the shafts. That's the last things to do on this Traco. If you can see, I've already ran the 2 lines. It was super easy. It's just screwing them one in there, up there, and then on the other side as well. There's 2 lines going to the cylinder. So I put them on, and we're gonna put these lock collars on, and it'll be ready to go. So we're gonna finish this project up, and then after a while we'll take you and show you it working. It's a pretty handy device. So here we go. There's a shaft right here that we need to get on, and whew, boy, they're kind of tight. See if we can get the other one on. Great. Might have to get a little hammer and do some tappy action. Oh, dadgummit. Well, they're supposed to just slip on. Come on, just go on there. Go on the hole. Drive one in and drive the other one in. Drive one in, drive the other one in. Just lovely. Well, I guess that's close enough. Well, folks, you're not supposed to drive in those collars, but I don't know. They're awfully tight. I don't think they're coming off. However, these supposed to just slip over. That's how they're supposed to do. Slip over. And lock them in place. I gotta hit this side of the shaft with a grinder a little bit. Give me 1 second. There we go. Alright. You locking the Allens down. And that's it. That's a wrap. Now, stand back and watch. The thumb will do thummy things. Check this out. Yay! We got a thumb, folks. 2 thumbs up for that thumb. So I'm super happy at how it turned out. I appreciate Barrett for all his help. This last little bit, he wasn't here today to film this, but man, we knocked it out. It's a good job. It's sturdy. Cool. And that's what you can do with a thumb. Makes it very handy. And watch, you can make it look like a dinosaur. No, no, no. That was an excellent piece of equipment to have. And now I've got a good one. Well, guys, thanks for watching.